मित्रों नमस्कार। भारत माता की जय। लॉन्ग लिव बॉलीवुड, लॉन्ग लिव हिंदी सिनेमा, लॉन्ग लिव इंडियन सिनेमा। मित्रों, बॉलीवुड फिल्म सिटी उत्तर प्रदेश यमुना एक्सप्रेसवे के जो रोड मैप है उसकी अनाउंसमेंट हो गई है और न्यूज़पेपर्स में सारी डिटेल्स हैं। मैं आपसे शेयर करता हूं। तो उसकी हेडलाइंस है उत्तर प्रदेश सेट टू गेट द बिगेस्ट फिल्म सिटी। उत्तर प्रदेश सेट टू गेट द बिगेस्ट फिल्म सिटी। और ये बॉलीवुड रिफॉर्म्स का, हिंदी सिनेमा रिफॉर्म्स में एक बहुत बड़ा कदम आज लिया जा रहा है। 100 साल सिनेमा को, हिंदी सिनेमा को, बॉलीवुड को हुए हैं पूरे, और इस सेंचुरी के बाद जाके आज मेजर परिवर्तन और डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ द बॉलीवुड की कदम के प्रोसेस में बहुत बड़ा कदम उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार, योगी आदित्यनाथ जी, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने मिलकर लिया है। मैं पहले पढ़ूं कि ये जो आज का हेडलाइंस है वो है उत्तर प्रदेश सेट टू गेट द बिगेस्ट फिल्म सिटी। और हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने कहा है अंडर द एबल लीडरशिप के बारे में लिखा गया है। अंडर द एबल लीडरशिप प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी coupled with the vision of Yogi Adityanath, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, the state government has announced development of the biggest film city in the country. About 1,000 acres of land has been set aside near Sector 21 Yamuna Expressway. The dedicated film city will bring employment in large numbers in various sectors while providing a haven for the filmmakers. तो योगी आदित्यनाथ जी का जो चीफ मिनिस्टर उत्तर प्रदेश के, द फिल्म सिटी being chosen, being close to Agra, the city of Taj, Mathura, the birthplace of Lord Krishna, and near the proposed logistic hub in Noida, won't face any glitches as far as the facilities of transport and movement are concerned. We have a film policy in the state. पहले ही वहाँ से all industrial policies will be applicable, while a single window mechanism will be used to facilitate investment in the state. Proposals, suggestions and offers from the film fraternity will be are welcome. योगी आदित्यनाथ जी, चीफ मिनिस्टर उत्तर प्रदेश। तो ये जो इसके बारे में लिखा है उत्तर प्रदेश सेट टू गेट द बिगेस्ट फिल्म सिटी, जो आर्टिकल है वो है द यूपी चीफ मिनिस्टर योगी आदित्यनाथ has set another milestone in the history of the state. Recently, the blueprint of the proposed film city in Greater Noida was shared with the eminent filmmakers, and the only region was marked, the city region was marked as one that would have great connectivity and other highlights such as a dedicated infotainment zone. A film city would come up 1,000 acres of land with great rail, road and air connectivity. The project come up in near Sector 21 along the Yamuna Expressway, and cut out of the 1,000 acre of land, 220 acres would be reserved for commercial activity. The site of the project would come up as a dedicated infotainment zone equipped with all the world-class civil, public and in technological facilities. Is just 6 km away from the upcoming Jewar International Airport and approximately 23 km from the zero point. The Yogi government is well aware of the presence trend of the OTT over the top platforms and the media streaming platforms, and hence the high capacity world-class data center along with all pre-production and post-production infrastructure, processing lab, VFX and digital technology of the international level standards would be provided in the zone. The state government has renamed the proposed film city at YEIDA as the infotainment city. जो बॉलीवुड का जो फिल्म सिटी जो यूपी में, उत्तर प्रदेश में यमुना एक्सप्रेसवे ग्रेटर नोएडा में उसका नामकरण है इंफोटेनमेंट सिटी। द सिटी इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू अट्रैक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स ऑफ ₹5,000 crore. The on-ground inspection by senior officers have been done at the site. The city will have all modern and digital facilities that are required to make television serials and film, with special studios for animation and production of web series, cartoon films, documentary films, etc. Apart from these facilities, there would be film production studios, outdoor studio sets, special effects studios, clubhouse, villages, hotels, tourism and entertainment, shopping complexes, food courts, amusement center, conventional center and parking would be available at one place. Ernst & Young has been nominated to prepare detailed project report DPR, which will take suggestion from the filmmakers and prepare the report as per policy of the state government. The agency will also study and survey the use of technology from other big studios and cities of the world, including the Ramaji Rao Film City at Hyderabad. The UP government has also taken suggestion from the noted filmmakers on matters including pre-production, production, post-production facility in the city. Accordingly, club, sports villages, teleport, commercial, indoor, outdoor location will be developed along with the sound mixing, special effect, color transformation, video editing, etc. A suggestion has been given that the studio will look like a grand building from the outside for shooting and acceptable to the changes in it. Presently, government is considering evaluating condition of development of infotainment city. First, the PPP model, in which a private company will be involved through an agreement by the development. Secondly, the YEIDA itself develop the city. And third option is IDA will work as a nodal agency and plots will be allotted to the interested companies. तो ये एक आर्टिकल आया है और इसमें एक आर्टिकल आया है यूपी टू ग्रो इनटू ए सिनेमैटिक हब. Uttar Pradesh is slated to become the epicenter of film production in India. The state government is making its best possible effort to facilitate the cinema through the UP Film Bandhu. And इसमें लिखा Uttar Pradesh has played a vital role in the rise of Indian cinema. It has given the film industry several film producers, director, artists, lyricists, musicians, and screenwriters of eminent name and fame. The state is abundant with cultural heritage, including glorious history of the state, its affluent architecture and cultural diversity. And Sinqua for filmmaking, the need for the hour is to create a suitable environment which not only invites shooting of films on a large scale in the state, but also promote other activities which are related to the various aspects of film production for the purpose of overall development. The purpose is to provide a strong infrastructure for all development of the film industry in the state and create a suitable environment. Objective is made to develop the state of Uttar Pradesh as an important center for production of films, to provide the information about the most amazing, incredible, delightful places in Uttar Pradesh as a means to attract tourism, to promote and publicize the cultural, mythological, historical heritage and rich traditions of the state in the country as well as other parts of the world, to provide opportunities for development of acting and film making talent in the state, to provide opportunity for job creation in the state, to provide means for attracting additional investment in the state through film industry, to provide healthy and relatively inexpensive entertainment to the people of the state as well as the country. And the strategies the state government is making its best possible effort to facilitate cinema through the UP Film Bandhu. Its aim is to provide assistance in the development for best and very competitive infrastructure at the national level, to renovate the existing infrastructure, to provide means for renovation and upgradation, to provide required facilities, to provide administrative support, to provide attractive packages for the financial incentives, to provide attractive schemes, system for financial support requiring in appropriate cases. और यहाँ पर ये भी है, the Singapore based company offer investment. The Singapore media company Vitsa Media has offered an initial investment of USD 10 million, approximately 73 crores for setting up a film academy in proposed 50 in Uttar Pradesh. The other the offer came during an interaction with the Chief Minister Yogi at a review of filmmakers and artists over the new film city project, which will come up in 1,000 acres of land. The prompt action by the state has immediately received a positive response from the film fraternity, as Ace Art Director Nitin Desai offered to set up the entire film city on the lines of what has been set up in in Mumbai. He was of the opinion that about 80% of the technicians and workforce are actually working in Mumbai are from UP and Bihar and other areas in the industry. In the UP, availability of manpower will never be a problem. एक ये आर्टिकल है एक आर्टिकल है, यूपी गवर्नमेंट टू कंसिडर ट्विकिंग इट्स फिल्म पॉलिसी फॉर फिल्म सिटी प्रोजेक्ट. द प्रेस्टिजियस फिल्म सिटी प्रोजेक्ट हैज got Uttar Pradesh government to deliberate and modify the existing film policy to benefit filmmakers who wish to set up studios at the upcoming city near Jewar. After UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath selected the venue for the development of the ambitious film city project, the Yamuna Expressway Industrial Development Authority has expedited the process to prepare land which would be spread across 1,000 acres just next to the Noida International Greenfield project. The Uttar Pradesh government has told filmmakers that it will make necessary changes in the film policy 2018 provided they are ready to invest in the project to boost growth in the region. Once these filmmakers submit their proposal pertaining to their plans of setting up studio, the state government will work accordingly. The YEID officials said that they accept filmmakers to seek lower land rates, waiver on stamp duty and other benefits. If the state government feels the waiver will invite investment from filmmakers and fuel the local economy, then it may change provisions in the film policy. The YEIDA has 835 hectares of land and has started taking steps to buy the remaining 165 acres from the farmers who are willing to give land for the project. With consent, the farmer directly sell land to the project. Notify and एक इसमें भी है, नोएडा फिल्म सिटी will boost the भोजपुरी सिनेमा. तो ये बहुत बड़ा डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ बॉलीवुड के लिए, बॉलीवुड रिफॉर्म्स के लिए, रिफॉर्म ऑफ हिंदी सिनेमा के लिए बहुत बड़ा इनिशिएटिव अब शुरू हो गया है. और मेरा एज ए फिल्म मेकर, एज ए बॉलीवुड फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर ये सजेशन है कि उसी कैंपस में ये A to Z 1 पॉइंट कैंपस बने फॉर सिनेमा, हिंदी सिनेमा, रीजनल सिनेमा, इंटरनेशनल सिनेमा, और 1 पॉइंट हब बने A to Z. यानी कि इसके अंदर जो है कोवर्किंग स्पेस भी डेवलप हो राइटर्स के लिए, राइटर वहाँ जाके लिख सकें, एक एनवायरनमेंट मिले उनको कहानियाँ लिखने का, और पूरे ग्रुप वहाँ आपस में म्यूचुअल डिस्कशंस का. एक बिल्डिंग होनी चाहिए जहाँ पे जितनी एसोसिएशंस हैं, जैसे फिल्म राइटर एसोसिएशन, फिल्म डायरेक्टर एसोसिएशंस, फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर एसोसिएशन, जितनी अपनी डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर, एक्टर, राइटर एसोसिएशन, और जो एसोसिएशन जो इस इंडस्ट्री, इस फिल्म बिजनेस से जुड़ी हुई हैं, उनके लिए एक बिल्डिंग हो, ताकि आपस में जो भी एक एसोसिएशन का दूसरे एसोसिएशन से रिलेशनशिप है वो स्ट्रांग हो. जब कोई डिस्प्यूट होता है मान लो आर्टिस्ट के बीच में और प्रोड्यूसर के बीच में, तो वहीं की वहीं सेटल हो जाए. बॉलीवुड बॉम्बे की तरह ही नहीं स्कैटर्ड, एक कहीं है, एक कहीं है, एक कहीं है, एक कहीं है, पूरा कोई सिस्टम बॉलीवुड में, बॉलीवुड मुंबई में कोई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ही बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ इतने सालों के बाद. बड़ा अनप्लान्ड, अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेटअप है वहाँ पे. तो एक 1 पॉइंट, फिर एक पूरा बिजनेस हब डेवलप हो जहाँ पे ऑफिसेज दिए जाएं, OTT प्लेटफॉर्म वालों को, अमेजोन को ऑफिस मिले, नेटफ्लिक्स को ऑफिस मिले, Z5 को ऑफिस मिले, हॉटस्टार, डिज्नी, यानी जितने भी हमारे OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं या प्रोडक्शन हाउसेज हैं, उन वो एक हब में, एक बिजनेस सेंटर में उनको जगह मिले जहाँ पे राइटर्स हैं या डायरेक्टर हैं वो अपने प्रोजेक्ट लेके जाएं और वहाँ डील स्ट्राइक हो और हाथ के हाथ सारा डॉक्यूमेंटेशन हो और काम शुरू हो और ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस बॉलीवुड. तो एक बॉलीवुड का जो है या सिनेमा, हिंदी सिनेमा का है या इंडियन सिनेमा का है, एक ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस का एक बहुत बड़ा सेंटर और बहुत अच्छा सेंटर यहाँ डेवलप हो सकता है. हर एस्पेक्ट को 1 पॉइंट एंट्री पे A to Z ऑफ फिल्म बिजनेस जो है वहाँ पर प्रोवाइड हो. तो इस बॉलीवुड के लिए, देश के लिए, भारत के लिए इन शुभकामनाओं के साथ, लॉन्ग लिव बॉलीवुड, लॉन्ग लिव हिंदी सिनेमा, लॉन्ग लिव हिंदी सिनेमा, भारत माता की जय. और ये एक बहुत बड़ा कदम है बॉलीवुड रिफॉर्म्स, डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ बॉलीवुड के लिए, और ये ही पेव वे करेगा जो पॉलिटिक्स में हुआ है, परिवारवाद खत्म हुआ है, जो क्रिकेट में हुआ है, परिवारवाद खत्म हुआ है. एक आम आदमी, एक आम इंडियन, एक आम भारतीय को मौका मिलेगा कि वो बॉलीवुड का हीरो नंबर 1 बन पाएगा, और कोई भी हमारी बेटी देश की बॉलीवुड की हीरोइन नंबर 1 बन पाएगी. नमस्कार.